Yo, what's up guys, Kenji and today we're back with another YouTube video. Sorry I haven't made that much videos. I've done one earlier today, so make sure and check that out on my channel. YouTube just been a pain like last month. Literally, it's my video just one uploading. I made loads on my cousin's house on World War II, didn't upload. Knocked the Run, didn't upload. Nothing would upload. Say it was the same with my cousin as well. So today I got my mum bought some football boots and they're right here. Adidas. The back of the box. So we didn't know where you want to see the back. I don't know what they are. Maybe if you know boots, you can see what they're called. Cause I don't know. Okay, so this got little red lace. I'm just putting that lace in. I'm really excited. I haven't got carried boots for a while yet, a couple of months. And it's almost the end of the season for me. So yeah, I'm joining a new club. So yeah. Okay, so let's get straight into this. I unbox these Adidas boots. Okay. So I'm going to put it this way so you can see first. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord, look at these. Oh my god, these are sick. These are 17.3s. You can see. Doing its thing. Now you can only see the little X. Oh my god, look at these. You can see the little dots. Adidas sign. Studs. Look at the studs. You can see those, you know, like the white stuff. Like that. So these are absolutely sick. And the sock. I love sock boots. Sock boots are like the best boots you get. It feels really comfortable. Sock boots. Look at these. These are mad. Adidas. These are the studs. This is what it looks like from the bottom to the top. So there's the studs. Flip it over. Then flip it over there. And you can see the little X bit. These are like my first ever X's boots, because these, when they got this bit here, these are the X's. Oh my god. Big thanks to my mom for getting me these. Oh my god. These are amazing. These gonna have a and there are 2 as well, and I'm only 1.5, so I'm at 1. So yeah, I'm gonna like be having these for a long time, and I'm happy that I am. Oh my god, I can't really say anything. These are like the best boots I've got yet. Best boots I've got yet. I've got other boots, very nice boots. I prefer Adidas boots more than Nike. I think Nike boots look nice, but I think Adidas boots feel better. Definitely, because I'm a Man United supporter. Like, it just matches with the kit as well. It just matches. Like, you don't know for wearing like the Nike blue football boots when you're wearing a red kit and it's Adidas. So like these, go and get these boots. I recommend if you want to play football and you want to have comfy feet, I recommend you get these amazing boots. Yep. I hope you enjoyed the video, because I'm in love with these. Just literally. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the hell out of that like button. Can we reach 5 likes? And when I get a new pair of football boots, I will make another video like this. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hope you have a good day. And yeah, why not get these boots? They are £50. Yep, quite a lot. But these are studs. If you don't want studs, I think they're a bit cheaper. Like when you get no studs, I think they'll be like 45 maybe. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, have a good day and peace out.